Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this dancing face filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So this is the filter. Three different emojis are there. Open your mouth, close your eyes and raise your eyebrows. So you have to imitate them correctly. From the bottom these emojis are coming. So it's a bit difficult. Let me start now. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. Raise eyebrows. Likewise, you have to match them by doing correct posture. Okay, so to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Jonathan is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, face dancing. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and likewise you can get this filter. So if you are not finding the filter here like this, you can also visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram, and likewise also you can get this filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.